See, it's going down. What's up, you guys? I got a different kind of video. So instead of Fortnite, we're gonna be doing a TikTok experiment. When I say TikTok experiment, I mean just like random videos I saw that were pretty neat. I'm gonna try them out and see if they work, so you guys can see for yourself. I'll pull up the TikTok so you know what I'm talking about. You have to put one in the middle. One, yeah.
Then you put soap on a cotton ball.
Dish soap on the cotton ball, yes. And then mix it around a little.
So that happens.
Oh my god.
And then you put, actually I don't even know if we need it.
Okay guys, let's get started. By the way, I bought all of this by myself, so I don't want no comments saying I'm wasting my parents' stuff, you know. This is all money I spent, okay? So if anything... Oh, okay. Ignore that. I just poured a little bit of milk. We don't need a whole bunch. But yeah, there's already some bubbles going on, so hopefully that makes a cool reaction with the food dye. So, we got 3 colors. We can mix them up. We got pink, blue, and red. These are for icing on the cupcakes, but I think it'll work. So the brand is Color Right. That's what I'm using. Alright guys, we're back. I just got gloves because I already stained my fingers, but I don't want to stain them even more than they already are. Alright guys, we had a minor accident. You know, I put a lot of glue in, but hopefully it looks good with the chemical reaction. Alright, I'm gonna add a little bit more right here. Okay, that one's way better. Why isn't this one like this? That one just squirts out like that. Okay. So now that we have that over here, we're gonna move on to our cotton ball. Put a little bit of soap in here, just like that. And now we're gonna push that in, and look at that. Whoa, what the heck? That's lit. You can move it around like over here. It spreads by itself. Like here's the violet coming around. Oh my god, that's so satisfying. Guys, this is the second TikTok. I'm gonna put it up right in the screen right now.
Receipt challenge. Who can unravel theirs first? Ready? Go.
Ready. You're not going?
I will. Just give you a little head start, you know. Damn. It's pretty quick, man. Look how thick this is, guys.
Yo, you're not even going.
I am. I'm just working.
Mine's going fast,
Don't
though.
worry. Don't worry.
Mine's almost done.
Yeah. Oh my God, you're actually going quick. Oh, okay.
Ah.
It's not bad. Did you just hurt yourself or
My
something?
finger's burning doing this.
Okay.
Fuck.
Oh.
What are you doing?
Damn. That's pretty quick.
Okay. What the fuck? Yo. Oh my god.
Come on. Who's gonna win?
Oh my god.
Look at this. Whoa. Where's yours? I'm done. That's over.
Holy
I win.
Smokes.
Okay, so as you can see, all we need for this one really is a receipt paper roll, kind of like this. I got this at Walmart for like $1. And basically what you do, you push this in right here. You can use your thumb or like another object. I'm just gonna use like my fingers here. And it's gonna come off like right here. So now, just like this is attached on the side, we're just gonna unhook it like this. But be careful not to tear the whole thing up. Just be gentle. Alright, it's gonna start pouring now. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. What the heck? As you can see, it's going down all by itself. It's making like a little trail. You know. I can stop it. Oh, I even took it off. Like an infinite bowl right here. Some other ones are bigger, You can even like make it go faster than with like the bigger one, but this one's like way better. We control it like that, move it around. And that's it. Alright. Pretty cool hack. Okay, so as you can see, this is Coke baking soda vinegar video. Another TikTok. I'll pull it up on the screen.
We're going to show you our science experiment with a balloon, water bottle with vinegar in it, baking soda. This is going to blow this balloon up for us. Are you ready?
To rumble.
Are you ready to rumble? Here it goes. We're dropping the baking soda in.
Go.
If we have too much. Here we go.
Here we go.
And ta-da!
Alright guys, this is take 2. We have the baking soda in this glove. Usually you want to use like a balloon, but we're going to improvise here. So we're going to do, instead of soda, we're just going to do all vinegar. Hopefully that works a little better. This is the big moment of truth. I'm going to try to hold this as tight as I can. Alright. Lila, can you kind of like flip it over? I'm just gonna hold it. There you go. Oh, it's sizzling. It's sizzling. Goodbye. There you go. There you go. Flip it, flip it. Alright guys, this is the next one. As you can see, it looks like the glove. Oh my god! Oh, I should have done it right here. This is the final TikTok for today. This is actually a YouTube inspired video, not a TikTok inspired video. So in this TikTok, we're gonna, we're gonna do a TikTok of this. We're gonna have a corkscrew thing to use as a lid on the Coke bottle. We're gonna use baking soda and vinegar once again, and so the last time I had a glove with the baking soda already in it, but in this case we're gonna use a tea bag instead, and we're just gonna like put it in here and flip the Coke bottle over, and it should give us that same chemical reaction with the corkscrew inside. Okay, so now I'm just gonna pour the vinegar in. I have a little bit of soda, not too much, just about this amount, and we're gonna fill it up with vinegar halfway through, so it's halfway full. A little more. Okay. Alright. So now we got that going, and we're gonna go and put the tea bag through here. fits. Okay. I want to hold it. Let's see if this string is properly attached. Leave the lid on. Alright. Now, this is our final contraption. You guys might be thinking, well, what's gonna happen? Let's go outside and I'll show you guys. Alright guys, I'm a little nervous, but this supposedly this should give us that same chemical reaction, so let's see what happens. Oh shit! What the heck, did you get that?
I think. I don't know. It was.
We're gonna turn this around, we're gonna shake it up, and it's gonna go flying in the air. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. The other one went way higher. I'll do a little celebration flip.
Looks like you lost another one.
Let's go. Alright guys, let me know. Oh, the lights can stop. Alright guys, that's it for this video for my TikTok challenges, science experiment / YouTube experiments. Let me know if you guys want to see another video with YouTube experiments, because this was the majority TikTok videos that I saw that appealed to me. But okay, so with that being said, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.